Welcome to Incredible Lab channel. Today I will show you how to change keyboard font size in your Android phone. Today I will show you two methods that you can use to change your keyboard font size. Now for the first method, open up your keyboard and then tap on this gear icon to open up your keyboard settings. Now from here scroll down and here you can see font size option, then just tap here. Now from here you can change your keyboard font size. Here you can see a slider and by removing this slider you can change your keyboard font size. Here you can see three levels 1, 2 and 3, and the level 1 is lowest level and the level 3 is maximum level, and you can set any level as you want. Now for the second method, open up your settings app. Now from here scroll all the way down and then go to general management. After that go to keyboard list and default, then go to Samsung keyboard and then scroll down again, then go to font size, and here it is. You can also change your keyboard font size from here. And that's it, you have successfully changed keyboard font size in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.